Hello. So our next example for G, we have 16x squared minus 4w squared equals 0. So because, first of all, this one has two variables, we cannot write it in the form of x squared equals k. With our GCF, we can factor out our greatest common factor of 4. So we would have 4 times 4x squared minus w squared equals 0. Now with this one, again, only because it's an equation. If it's not an equation, you cannot do this. We are going to divide out that greatest common factor. And that gives us 4x squared minus w squared equals 0. Next are the first and the last terms perfect squares. If we look, we have 4x squared, both are perfect squares, and w squared, also a perfect square. Now, if we don't have a b term, the second thing you're going to check for, are there only 2 terms? If yes, we're going to factor using difference of squares. Difference of squares, we're going to have 2 sets of parentheses, one with a plus, one with a minus. With that, we are going to take the square root of our first term, so 4x squared, that will be 2x, and then the square root of our second term, w squared, or w. Those are the values that are going to go in our parentheses. So we'll have 2x as the first one because the 4x was first. And then we'll have a plus w and a minus w. This one, because we have 2 variables, we actually aren't going to finish solving for x. We could in terms of w, but we don't need to worry about that. So this is an example of difference of squares.